Welcome back to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. This is a multicultural, mostly synthetic wig related content here, but I got something special. I got a collab, and this is a human hair wig. I don't normally bring these to my channel, but listen, we're inclusive, we're multicultural, so I'm doing it, okay? This is a collaboration with LilyHair. They reached out to me to collaborate with this super cutie, okay? All of the unboxing and how I got her together will be after this part. I'll leave all the deets down below about the wig. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and become one of my little doll babies. If you are already a doll baby, hi doll baby, how are you? Welcome back, okay? So we have a treat here. We have a collab, we have a human hair wig. There's a lot going on, all right? So let's just get to it. This particular wig is in the color H4/8. So it's going to be like a light brown, sort of auburny situation. This is a human hair wig. I do have a coupon code, so that's exciting. And the coupon code is Maria30. So if you want $30 off your entire order, go ahead and use my code. You don't have to use my code, but it will save you some money. So like, I don't know why you wouldn't, okay? Again, that's Maria30. This is a full cap wig, all right? There are no combs. There are adjustable straps. I actually had to adjust it quite a lot. So I would say it probably is a larger wig cap, but it adjusts nicely. So if you have like more of an average head like me, I think I'm like 21 to 22 inches. It's very, very comfortable. The cap itself on the inside is very soft. There is like sort of that rubberized grip in it, so that is nice. It is really, really, really comfortable. You'll see in the clips that I did take a flat iron to it. I mean, this is human hair, so it's not going to be like a synthetic wig. You could curl this if you wanted to. You could take a flat iron if you wanted to. I took a little bit of a flat iron, but I think in general, like especially right here, it would probably need a little bit more of a flat iron for my taste, but super cute. It's very comfortable. I really, really like this wig. I would say there's only one con, and this is just a con for me because I am a migraine sufferer. There is a little bit of a floral scent on the wig, which is nice. I mean, because sometimes synthetic wigs, they like smell weird. But I have migraines, and so I feel like I probably would need to wash this before I wore it. I can feel like it's triggering a migraine already. But at any rate, other than that, I really think this is super cute. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, this is so cute. I like how it's stacked here. Again, you can see right here, I would probably take more of a flat iron to this. I'd want to lay this a little bit flatter. I did cut like a little tiny bit off this side, but I feel like in general, oh yeah, this is not giving me wigginess. A lot of times I feel like there's wigginess right here. It's not giving me wigginess. I really enjoy this wig. I think it's a great human hair wig. Again, it's versatile. You could put some curls in it if you wanted to. You could do more of like this kind of look, or like a, you know, this kind of look. You can just do whatever look you want. I'm not a fan of bangs, as you all know, but these bangs actually don't really bother me. I feel like when they're right here, it's so nice. And that's what I have for you for this wig. Thank you so much to LilyHair for collaborating with me. If you have this wig or any other LilyHair wig, go ahead and put that down below and give us, you know, some information, some deets, some tea. Okay. If there's another human hair wig that you would like me to review, go ahead and put that down below. I don't usually review human hair wigs, but I'm not opposed to reviewing sort of like full cap human hair wigs. Not crazy about like the lace front ones. I have a video on why I prefer synthetic. I think it's a car vlog, so you can go check that out. But I'm not opposed to reviewing a wig like this. These are great wigs if you're going through any type of treatments, if you have any type of alopecia or sensitive scalp issues. These are great wigs, so I'm not opposed to a wig like this in terms of human hair. Okay? If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!